Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, remember this is just my personal experience with the site. Today, we're exploring rtccom.com. The website itself provides a clean, straightforward design, focusing on functionality rather than flashy aesthetics. The main page prominently displays a variety of communication solutions, catering to different needs and preferences. You'll find options for traditional voice calls, video conferencing, and even instant messaging. This makes it a versatile platform for individuals and businesses alike, offering a centralized hub for all their communication requirements. The interface appears user-friendly, with clearly labeled sections and intuitive navigation. While I haven't extensively tested every feature, the initial impression is one of simplicity and ease of use. One aspect that stands out is the emphasis on security. rtccom.com highlights its commitment to encrypted communications, assuring users of privacy and data protection. In today's digital landscape, this is a critical consideration, and it's encouraging to see it prioritized. Further exploration reveals a range of advanced features, including screen sharing, file transfer, and group chat capabilities. These tools enhance collaboration and productivity, making rtccom.com a potentially powerful platform for team projects and remote work. It's also worth noting the apparent cross-platform compatibility. The website mentions support for various operating systems and devices, ensuring accessibility for a wide range of users. This flexibility is a definite advantage in a world of diverse technological ecosystems. Overall, rtccom.com presents itself as a comprehensive communication platform with a strong focus on security and user-friendliness. While a full evaluation would require more in-depth testing, the initial impression is positive, suggesting a potentially valuable tool for anyone seeking a streamlined and secure communication solution. Be sure to check out the link in the description and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.